Okay, nti this is how I operate the Silver Crest blender. Efa down no osiwode. Nti ewia na afa this one. Na no so a place edesido. Nti edesido make sure there edesido no why baby and shake ebon bi onye bibi today. Enwo there ebon da ase ana space da ase no space we sido correct. Nti sesi ano waste din day no, then you take the cap. Nti efa the cap na the cap no so the cap no so e dey sido like this. Cap no dey sido unlike other blenders na yechim no we no yenchim no dey sido online. You just take it na e dey sido onini e dey sido hu there bibi e sido correct. Emada na in menka there emada bibi unlock it. You don't need to lock it. E dey sido la. That's it, because the metal will prevent your cap from shaking, won't shake, obama YFM. If we are not as anything no died, a day buodo. Until presumably a dinity ne buodo, at the walk in your mano, a day good, maybe a pede blend the tomatoes and onion and whatsoever that you want to blend, a day gum, te diguma. Then you take and you plug into a plugger, a plug area, na ya ba down ebon there ya wo first of all no or bottom no ya wo left and right aha ya throw off ya throw on aha nti se epede e blend bibia depending on as na ebe blend no you are a regulator or the one I back there blend any adwuma no one is out one, so you need to regulate this if epede e blend the tomatoes and onion bia wetume is out to be there 11, because the regulator know the higher the normal no obama add no wa blend ye but I said it to lower one day ya ano ebon da add no bobubo mala on blend ye interpret that add no grind ye ya you need to increase the regulator or turn the regulator to 10 going edit to what then this is on left one no edit to on na you 9 as in be ye juma but epede e blend bibi na as no so I dinner and you press this one. A press way now no engine you want to on the wabeda off until so then it will increase the speed. So that's it.